Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a cool website that you may or may not know about called BlackHatWorld.com, and I'm going to show you how you can use it as a resource to resell services for your Paigham Bot campaigns. Alright, we'll get to that actually in a second, but if you guys like videos like this about online marketing, might show you some resources that you've never heard of, that you don't know about, then definitely subscribe to my channel. I mean, you can find stuff about like Facebook ads and like Google AdWords on pretty much every channel, but like I like to think that I have stuff that's like a little bit outside the box, maybe that you probably haven't heard of. And yeah, so subscribe. I've also got a fitness YouTube channel that you can experience my awesome existence talking about fitness stuff, health, fasting, stuff like that. That channel's a little bit more popular. I've had it for a longer time. So go subscribe over there if you want. Just click one of the links in the description and you will be subscribed automatically. I've also got a Patreon page in case you want to get even more awesome stuff from me. So go give me some money over there. Cool. Okay, so Paigham Bot, it's great, it's wonderful, but essentially you're really limited by the amount of campaigns that you can run. Right now, I like to kind of circumvent this by selling marketing services and having a list that's as big as possible. The reason is because every business needs marketing services, and when your list is as big as possible, you can remarket the same services, or different services to the same list over and over. Now, I've already showed you guys legit.com in another video. I've showed you guys a bunch of like ClickFunnels products that you can resell. Now I'm going to show you the BlackHatWorld marketplace, which you can use as a resource to resell services as well. So let's just take the first link right here, content/copywriting. Now, this is very easy. Let's just take a look at, I don't know, HQ content from a professional writer. How about this? Hassan's killer copywriting carriage. Quality copywriting has finally arrived. All right, but let's look at it anyway. Hassan here, an experienced content strategist and freelance copywriter. I blah blah blah. Case closed. Okay, so, oh my God. All right, bro. This is so long. Okay, so essentially, like, how would you use this, right? Like, how would you make this into how would you market this in a campaign, right? You obviously can't send them to this thread on BlackHatWorld. I mean, I guess you could, and just say you're Hassan and like resell his services and order from them, but like, do you really want to do that? Probably not. However, what I think you can do is you can essentially copy and paste this information onto a ClickFunnels created website. You can make a funnel for this, and like literally just like copy and paste this and you know, format it a little bit nicer than like bright green and like barf orange, and just send out a campaign to your list, right? And you can make, like, the cool thing about ClickFunnels is that you have the ability to make like lots of really cool sales funnels or one-page websites or whatever you want to call them with you know, a very like templated layout that lends itself very well to creating a page that will get the user to take a specific action, right? Like in this case, we want them to turn into a lead and be like, yes, I want to buy your copywriting services. Now, like, the reason I chose copywriting is because people charge like $10,000 for like this kind of thing, right? So, and you don't actually need to do any of the copywriting. That's kind of the cool part. Like, you don't actually, like, the cool thing about reselling services for other people, and this is one of the reasons I love Paigham Bot, is that like, you don't actually need to do any work, right? All you really need to do is just sell the service by pushing traffic to the landing page that is templated and essentially created with ClickFunnels already for you. You just need to paste this information in there, and then like close the deal on the phone. Yeah, okay, you're gonna have to talk to somebody on the phone, boo-hoo, but like 10-15 minute conversation, and then you just give this guy the deal. You just order from him and you take the service. Now, is this the ideal way to make money online? Like, no, probably not. Like, I personally prefer recurring services that don't require any sort of like interaction with other people. I mean, that's why we're doing this whole online marketing thing, isn't it? But at the end of the day, like, I'm not going to say no to like getting paid thousands of dollars for like a 15-minute phone conversation, right? And then let's say you don't want to sell copywriting. Let's say you want to sell, I don't know, how about SEO packages? It's pretty good. Let's just click another one of these randomly. How about this? Free 7-day trial. Luca B, Aura Boost, join the Aura Club. Like, now what you could do, like, you could literally just register a domain, Aura Boost, or getauraboost.com. You could save this image, and you could just literally put the image on that page, or break the image up into chunks and put a button here that says, like, order now, or something like that, or sign up now, right? Like, look how long this is. Look how much work this guy put into it. Or you could literally, I mean, if you want to do it the long way, you could literally just, like, essentially copy and paste this entire thing, double the price. Or does this guy even have a, maybe he has a website, auraboost.com. Like, the easiest thing to do is to just join as an affiliate and push affiliate traffic to the guy's website, right? Like, if you can do that, that's ideal. That's why I like affiliate marketing. But no, he doesn't have that. So is this, let's see here, www.auraboost.com/support. Is this no longer, maybe that will work? Nope, doesn't work. Okay, so, well, actually, let's try /support. I mean, I don't see that working either, but maybe it will. Yeah, has been moved. Okay, so that doesn't work. But yeah, all right. So this guy recommends it. Quality service from a quality guy. So yeah, I mean, like, you know, again, it just depends, like, how detailed you want to get on this whole thing, right? Now, like, let's take a look at, like, affiliate marketing, because I think they have, here we go, affiliate programs. ClickBank, blah, 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 niche website, car rental affiliate, maybe other affiliate programs. Let's see here. Okay, so this is just a forum. People want information. Sometimes they have, like, go affiliate program recommendation. Let's see what this says. What affiliate? Max Bounty, Purefly, ClickBank. All right, so nothing good here. All right, but anyway, you guys get the idea. Like, if you have to spend 2 hours of your life or an hour of your life, like, making a landing page on ClickFunnels to capture leads, then, you know, it's not the end of the world. Cool. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys, give you some ideas, get the juices flowing about where you can find additional campaign ideas for Paigham Bot. If you guys want a 20% discount for Paigham Bot, click the, I've got a coupon code in the bottom there. It's YALLIPAPI, Yali Papi. I guess they didn't, I don't know, whatever. It's, anyway, just paste that in there. You'll get 20% off. Order through my affiliate link too. Help a brother out. Give me some of that sweet affiliate money. Subscribe to my channel. Go check out my fitness channel. Links in the description. Support me on Patreon. Peace.